Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by importing your green screen clip and a target background. You're beginning the actual key now. Create a composition matching the clip's resolution and frame rate so pixels align perfectly. Put your background layer beneath the green clip to preview results live. Make sure color management is enabled because accurate color space reduces matte artifacts later. Once done, scrub the timeline to find a representative frame with even green. This is the frame you'll use to sample when you key. Apply Keylight 1, 2, and sample the green with the screen color eyedropper. You want a neutral, even patch. You'll adjust screen gain and screen balance to remove midtones, then tweak clip black and clip white to define transparent and opaque areas. Switch to screen matte view to examine holes and edge noise. This is how you diagnose hair and spill problems. Use matte cleanup controls, a small negative choke to tighten, a little blur to soften jagged edges, and repeat sampling until the silhouette reads clean. After the matte looks solid, remove green spill so edges read natural. Use Keylight's Dispill Bias or a Hue Correct layer to push edge hues toward neutral. Then color match foreground to background. Adjust exposure, contrast, and add subtle selective color shifts. This sells the composite. Once satisfied, pre-compose and render a lossless master for final delivery, and then export your delivery codec. If you hit trouble, see the note below. Make small iterative changes rather than big swings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.